Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because in today's video I am finally bringing you guys a real Dollar Tree Fall 2019 haul. So a lot of you have been telling me that your stores don't have anything yet, and trust me, I can relate. None of my stores had anything. I called around, everyone acted like I was crazy for calling about fall in July. Don't know why, that would be weird, but it is apparently. And finally I located a store that's like way out of my area and honestly in a neck of the woods that I probably don't belong, that had a few things. And so I got some stuff there 2 days ago. And then today I called one of my more local stores, and the lady said that she had stuff in the back and if I wanted to come in she would let me look basically. So that was really nice. And I only got 2 things from that store. So anyways, let's hop into it. First thing that I found are these fall peonies. And I typically don't like florals in the fall. I feel like it's a summer thing, it's a spring thing, and I don't want any part of spring or summer in my fall decor. But I was thinking of doing like a summer into fall transitional style decor piece, DIYing it. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. So I don't know if they had these last year, but I honestly thought they looked really nice. So these are some burgundy peonies, and when I hold them up, you can kind of like see through them, but when you're just looking down at them or at a distance, I think they look pretty nice. So I actually got 3 of these. I got 3 of the orange color. This is in between like a muted orange and a bright orange. It's kind of like the perfect orange for the end of summer, honestly, into fall. So I got 3 of that color. And then this is the color that I actually don't like. It's a peachy kind of pink, but the tips are very light, almost like a beige. And you may be thinking like, why would you get a color that you don't like? I think it actually looks really nice with these other 2 colors, and it kind of, you know, I don't know. So I picked up 3 of these, and again, if you want to see the DIY that I'm doing, let me know and I will absolutely show you guys. So next up, I found some of these little pumpkin tabletop signs that are just too stinking cute. They come in the 3 colors, black, orange, and white. And how cute would these be for like a Halloween DIY, the backs of these, because they are just plain. You would just peel off the sticker. But here's what the fronts look like. They do have glitter on them. This one is kind of a glitter bomb, you guys. And if you see the dogs walking around in the background, they're just doing their dog stuff. But anyways, it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. And it is in gold glitter, and I think I might take a lint roller to this and see if I can get some of the glitter off. I also got the orange one. It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, and the glitter on this one's a lot better than on the black one. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not as much of a mess, I guess you could say. And again, the back of these are perfect to do DIYs on. But my favorite one is this one here. It's cream, and it says gather with grateful hearts in gold. I think this is gonna be everybody's favorite because I know neutral fall decor is so popular. I'm not doing neutral fall decor this year, so that's not why I like this. I like it because it doesn't have the glitter. And this will probably be the easiest one to DIY because of that. So they do have the raffia bow and the cute little stem. And I'm gonna link below my Dollar Tree dupes for Michael's fall decor video if you haven't seen that yet, because Michael's has pretty much this exact same item for, I wanna say it was $7. So if you wanna check out all the things you can get from Dollar Tree that Michael's also has for way more money, that video's down below. Okay, next, a couple more signs that I found are these 2. There's actually one more to this set, but I thought it just looked like what we typically see from Dollar Tree year after year. Dory, what are you doing?
Hey.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna pause right here and tell you, I don't know if I mentioned this on my channel before, but Dory loves like sticks and wood, and I have this fireplace behind me, and one day we decided to be brave and let her kind of be outside of her cage for maybe 20 minutes while we left, just to kind of give her a test. And when we got home, we realized that she had gone into our fireplace, grabbed out some of the burnt wood that was still in there, and chewed it all over my white rug, which it actually came out. The ashes came out super easily with this spray that I have, but yeah, that's probably why she was just trying to go in there. She was probably trying to get wood out of there that's still left over. Anyways, these two signs. There's a third one. I'll insert a picture so you can see. I didn't feel like I needed it. I think this one's really cute. It looks like shiplap. It's orange. There is glitter on the text, and it says, "Bless the family beside us and the love between us." There is the hook to hang it up. It's not wood, but it feels really sturdy and like it's fairly good quality. But this one is my favorite. It says "Happy Harvest" in glitter. There's the raffia bow, and it also looks like shiplap. And I don't think you need to DIY these at all, but you probably could if you sanded off the glitter. So that is that. Next, I picked up these guys as well. They had these last year. I know when I hauled these last year, so many of you could not find them. I DIY'd with this one, I believe. I'll link that below if you want to check it out. But these are also great for DIYing because the backs are just plain and they just sit up on your table really easily, and they're cute enough on their own. So they come in these two styles. I grabbed both for upcoming DIYs. Now, this is the moment that I think you guys have all been waiting for. Everybody has been going crazy over these signs that popped up on the Dollar Tree website a few weeks ago, and they are these long signs here. So the first one, I've already shared this in a few videos, but it says "Thankful." It has the pumpkins that are a green color, and I like that there is a little bit of traditional color as well. But I think everybody loves these because of the buffalo check around the sides. Now, when I saw people hauling these in videos, they were saying like, oh, it's just like a cheap kind of cardboard. And I assume that it would be the same kind of stuff like this, that these sorts of things from Dollar Tree are made out of. No, this is very thin, you guys. I don't know if you can see. I'm squeezing it, and it's not cardboard, but maybe it is cardboard. I'm gonna take it out of its packaging and see. Can you guys see that? This is not good quality. The Hobby Lobby one that I shared in my Dollar Tree dupes for Hobby Lobby decor is way nicer than this, but this is the same look, and I don't like to spend a lot on my seasonal decor because my style changes year after year. So I still think that this is the winner, but if you're looking for something that's higher quality, the Hobby Lobby one will probably cost you around $3 when it goes on sale. So the other one that I got is this one here that says "Gather." It's in more traditional colors with it's like a tan, red and black plaid, and it has the traditional colored pumpkins. Actually, these are green, but there's a little bit of corn there. This would be great for Thanksgiving decor if you still have your fall decor up around Thanksgiving. I know I already have Christmas up at that time, but there is that one. There are two more that we should see when the Halloween stuff comes out. One of the Halloween ones I cannot wait to get my hands on. I think it's gonna look so cute with my Rae Dunn Halloween items, which, by the way, you guys, I have a whole mess of Rae Dunn Halloween items that I acquired this spring and summer. So if you want to see a haul on all of that stuff, or kind of like a show and tell, then let me know. I'd be happy to bring that to you guys. All right, so I was able to also find these beautiful pearlized pumpkins that are going to be new this year. They have an iridescent pearly finish on them, and on some colors it shows up, on other colors it just kind of fades in. Like, I think it just kind of fades in on this one. But these come in really fun colors. I'm super impressed with these. Just holding it in my hand, it feels just like something from Hobby Lobby, if not even nicer. So I think these are such a steal. So there is the teal color. There is the bright kind of vibrant orange. And these are different sizes, by the way, so you can see that there. There's also the more muted orange. It's kind of more like a yellowy, maybe macaroni and cheese kind of an orange. And they have a black stem. I can't tell if it's dark brown or black, but either way, that's what it looks like. They have this cream color that I think will be very popular, but do know that this is cream, it is not white. So if you decorate with white decor, it might stand out a little bit. I don't know the lighting, with the lighting, if you guys can tell the difference. I think you can. I think it looks cute together, even though they're two different shades. And then, am I missing any colors? Oh, okay. There's also this green, which is kind of like an olivey green mixed with like a Kelly, not a Kelly green, like a grass green. It's a really pretty green. And then the last one, which is my favorite, is this one. It's supposed to be burgundy, I'm pretty sure. Here's it next to these burgundy flowers. How pretty. But since it has the iridescent sheen on it, when you look at it, it looks more mauve or pinky toned. But I feel like you could, if you do like kind of like a rose gold, glam, blush pink sort of a theme, I feel like these two would fit in really nice. If you do traditional, I feel like these three look really nice together. If you do farmhouse, I feel like these three look really cute together. So you can really go in a lot of directions with these pumpkins. I just think they're amazing. So the last thing that I have is not necessarily fall decor, but you guys requested that I do a DIY with these. So I picked up 3 of these house decor pieces. These are out right now at my store. I know some of you have told me that you weren't able to find these this spring. I think at least 3 or 4 of you told me that you just went ahead and ordered a whole case of 24 of these from the website. But since so many of you have told me that you have these, you bought extras to see what kind of DIYs you could do, I will do a very simple, easy DIY with these. I already have the supplies to do it, and I already told you guys in a previous video basically what the DIY would be. So it's not gonna be like anything crazy. I'm just gonna change them up to look a little bit more fall and not do anything, you know, too crazy like I said. So I got 2 of the white one and then 1 of this one. These were the only sizes that they had left. So if you like my DIYs, you like following along with them, and you want to do something very easy and you still have these at your store, then go ahead and pick a few of them up. So if you like this video, you guys, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. It helps my channel grow. It helps new people find me, which helps me to be able to make more of these videos. Subscribe if you have not already. There is a little bell notification, I'm sure you guys have heard of it, that will notify you as soon as I upload a video if you click it. So do that if you would like, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.